Alright, if you have this problem, F9F0, if you have this problem, I'm going to show you how I have done it to solve, fix the problem. Okay, it's kind of fixing. So, if you have this printer, in this case, the 3525, this is the printer that I'm using now. You open this, and then you start pulling each one of these cartridges all the way out. You put them all the way in, and you do the same thing here. And then you open the tray here, and then you try to remove the belt, the transfer plate, as you can see, and put it all the way back in. And by doing that, if there is some problem with some contact or something like that, that should fix the problem. That is what I did here. The problem that you see here is that they have been refilling the toner, so that is a bad thing. Always use original one. So you see this one, it doesn't say staples or anything like that, so use original, and that will extend the life expectancy of the printer a lot. Otherwise it will die very soon. I hope this was useful. Also, another thing that you have to do, I forgot to mention, is you have to unplug it from the wall. I don't know if you can see, but you have to unplug the power circuit, and that's it. See you next time. Bye. It's ready to use, and now it's working just fine.